minus 22 outside. Becomes an ice. We'll see if the Mahindra 1635 will start. He's plugged in, an hour and a half. Minus 22 with the windshield of minus 27. Shut that off. We'll circle it 2 times. See, 35 hours on the machine. We'll start it in a few minutes. She's cold one. It's gonna be tight. Started right up. Runs rough. Still good. They're good little tractors, paired with a Chronovo snowblower P680 with tire grooves on the R4. Same thing in the front. Oh, I can't complain. She's cold. As soon as she started, it became white. They're good little tractors. Probably will get the HLA snow pusher maybe next year. Yeah. 1 hour plugged in. I would say more than an hour and a half plugged in. Minus 22 with a windshield of minus 27. Not bad.